Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Bonolo Modisha, the queen of branches. Child. If you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. If you are a returning subscriber, honey boo boo, regular day one, most favorite, welcome back to another vlog. I am doing an intro to this vlog. We are doing a weekly vlog this week. Today is Sunday. The time now is 3:45. Yeah, I start my day late. I have tried. If you've been here, you know that I always try to start my day earlier, but I can't. I've been up since 9 o'clock. Ask me what I've been doing with my time until now. Yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock now. I have church at 6 p.m. So I'm thinking, let me just go to the mall and get a few stuff. I did plan on going to the mall today. Was supposed to be a bit earlier than now, but let me just go anyways. So I'm gonna go to the mall. You're gonna be with me at the mall, and then we're going to church. I don't think you'll be with me at church, but yeah, when we come back, I'm gonna see you tomorrow and Tuesday for a couple of errands, and then Wednesday we are flying to Jozi. You feel me? So you're gonna be with me in Joburg as well. But it's gonna be litty. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Do it now, just like now, and get it out of the way, okay? Because you're gonna be like chilling and watching and going, huh? Oh my god, she's so cool. Oh my gosh, this is pretty, that's pretty, she's pretty, you know? Stay tuned, get my loves. Other than that, I will see you later. I hope you're having a good Sunday. I hope you have a good week ahead. Love you loads, guys. I know. No, not bye. Later. The mall ka weekend ke Sunday, it's almost 6 mara. So I'm gonna go to church and then I'm gonna come back. Okay? Yes! Good evening, church! Oh my word, I'm gonna struggle find parking. Oh, there it is. Nice. Hey my loves, I am back from the shop. let me show you what I got. You know, when I was entering the mall, I was on the phone with my friend Bumi, and I'm like, damn, I just did a blunder, friend. I forgot my sticky note, and I was so anxious when I was shopping and hoping that I don't buy things that are not here. 1, 2, that I don't miss stuff that I needed. So let's see if I got everything. I think I did. Okay, cool. So I went to Woolworths. I wanted to buy travel size wash stuff, but I ended up, remember when my colleague gifted me with the vanilla patchouli body wash and cream? I love it so much. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So I went and got this body polish, same flavor, vanilla patchouli. And then I got this famous glow skin toner that everyone was obsessing about, and they couldn't find it in store. We were all highly influenced by Kayon's, darling. I needed hangers for all my heavy stuff, my coats and my uniform in the wardrobe, in the other bedroom. I wasn't very picky with buying hangers because it's in the other wardrobe. I don't really like open it that much. And let me just throw this here. So these came in a 20 pack. These were $59.99. I got these from Crazy Store. I bought these shoes from Foschini. I absolutely find them very cute. You can't have enough black shoes. They won my heart with these shoes. The straps and this little frill thing going on. Absolutely love them. I got these in a size 5, and they were priced down from 459 rands to 299 rands. Very cute. And there's so many ways you can wear the strap, so absolutely love that about them. I always need cleansing water for when I bought a travel size one for when I'm in Joburg to wipe off my makeup. I went to the Fix and I saw this skirt when I was walking in, and I thought, pretty. I like it. I love the color white. White is actually my favorite color. Can't wait to style it. It's gonna be interesting. I bought these earrings from the Fix. How cute. I think they're absolutely cute. The main thing that I went to the mall for was this Fenty foundation. Mine is almost finished, so I thought I don't want to have to struggle. Love it so much. I got it in the shade 360. This foundation is my best friend. Like, sorry, I have to stay loyal to my babe. This is how I feel about this foundation. That's all I got. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just want to catch up on some TV, have something to eat. I obviously went to church. It was amazing. I can't imagine. I do have Sundays where I don't go to church, when I'm like off work and I'm like really tired because I knock off in the morning. But the other 2 Sundays when I'm off work, I will go to church. What was a week without a Sunday church service? It was absolutely amazing. So that is what tomorrow's schedule looks like. It's still raining. If it's not raining tomorrow, I'm definitely going to Table Mountain. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope it doesn't rain. Okay, men, say later tomorrow. Bye. What's the goal? Hey, like ready to party. This place looks dead.
You like it.
Oh my
And the whole day is empty. We are going to miss you dearly. May you never ever, not a single day forget what a remarkable woman you are. Oh, that's lovely. Wishing you all the best with what the future holds. Happy farewell, Sister Modesha. Punolo.
Hey my loves, not me matching with the deco betuna. Today is Monday. I probably look a mess. Like I don't even wanna see myself in the mirror. Like what a mess, what a mess. I'm at work. One of my colleagues was having her farewell today. The time now is 10 o'clock. I had to be here at 7:30. I slept at 2:30 a.m. Y'all do the math. Y'all do the math. You can imagine. You can imagine. So I had planned to look pretty because I'm wearing clothes I was wearing yesterday, by the way. Bebutli. Yeah. My alarm went off at 5:30. I remember snoozing it. The rest was history. And then what a joke, okay, my darling. And then I woke up at 7. I literally had to like do what needs to be done. Bye my darling, all the best. I probably will see you
guys. And it's not the last time.
Yeah. Can I borrow your charger, please?
So nice.
I slept so nice. Like, even when you finished, I was like, oh, we done. But always happy when I leave. Yeah. Thank you. So that is where we're going, guys. Like, you can imagine every day driving on this road and you seeing Table Mountain. Yeah. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. So we are going up that mountain today. It's gonna be real interesting. I'll see you in a bit. So am I still going up? So arrived. Let's go in. Let's go in. Where do we park? I'm just gonna park anyway here. Guys, you won't believe this. Why don't I come on my birthday? Apparently the cable car is closed. They closed on the 24th of July. They're opening on the 6th of August. They're doing some renovations. Why was this information not very much highlighted on the website? Because I was on the website, nah. My word. Wow. So I'm just gonna pop for a bit and then show you the views. Wow, I actually can't believe it.
Twinkle, 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 twinkle little stars. Jita, 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 jita is in Jazam. Twinkle, 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 twinkle little stars. Jita, 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 jita is in Jazam. I'm a 2K, afuna na majita. Kitty boss, kopala lima 80. Resmad, hasizo yizo. Reset, rizana kaditaile. Rabashuba, wesala. Ega master, bataya la fela.
Okay, so this is where we are coming. I almost missed it. So cute. Looks like vase. Oh, my sister would love this place. Wow.
I get to get meh, cause I feel like meh. Kill it in meh, cause I buy that meh. I get to get meh, cause I feel like meh.
Affirm, continue, affirm, continue, affirm. Ungakhuluma ibhontshisi mina am double HP no super mega eThekwini ngiphethe inkabi ezingagija abombali bangithanda njenge-oga abo-oga bangithanda njenge-oga elokishini babheke mina ngathi bicycop kanti bicycop ungakhuluma ibhontshisi mina am double HP no super mega eThekwini ngiphethe inkabi ezingagija abombali bangithanda njenge-oga abo-oga bangithanda njenge-oga elokishini babheke mina ngathi bicycop kanti bicycop
Twinkle, 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 twinkle little stars. Jita, 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 jita is in Jazam. Twinkle, 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 twinkle little stars. Jita, 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 jita is in Jazam. Twinkle, 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 twinkle little stars. Jita, 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 jita is in Jazam.
Stick to what you know, my darling. I ordered what they called a beef, Shaleen beef tartar. It feels cold. Let's dig in and then let you know what it tastes. Guys, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm sending this back. I don't like it. No, it has to go back. Hey my loves, welcome back to another day of the vlog. Today is Tuesday. I literally just woke up a few minutes ago, literally washed my face. The time now is 10 to 3. I am leaving for Joburg tomorrow, yay! But I still have a few stuff to do, like I just popped in my laundry. But it's quite late, so I'm gonna dry it and then hang it tomorrow morning because I'm only leaving in the evening. What I want to do now is go to Access Park to go look for a Argentina soccer jersey for my son. I went to this one store this one time to buy him soccer socks, and I didn't have a look around, but I'm sure that there is other clubs, teams, football jerseys there, so I'm quickly gonna go do that because I have work tonight. So yeah, I just wanted to come here and say hi, welcome to another day of the vlog, period. But let's be out. Go. I'm here. I don't know if I ever told you guys about Access Park. Like, it is so amazing. It has all these outlet stores, like almost everything, like your Levi, Puma, Nike, Adidas, Cotton On Kids, Fossil, like even like jewelry stores, Mr. Price, like everything. But anyways, I'm here. Let's go into the shop that I'm going to is Solly M store. Let's go. This is the store that I am coming into. Let's check it out. So they don't have the tops, they don't have Argentina, they've got Manchester, Arsenal and PSG. I'm thinking of getting him the PSG one. Oh my gosh, it's so expensive. Oh, hey you guys. So I don't know if you could hear me from inside the store, but they don't have Argentina. And they actually have just tops and not bottoms. So I don't know what to do because, and they're so expensive. Oh my word, just the top 1,000. I don't know. And let me switch off my com. And I've seen Argentina stuff online, but it's all from like sort of like shops that I don't know, so I'm very like skeptical about buying it online. So what I did was I called him so I could ask him to choose between, there was PSG, I know he likes PSG, there's Arsenal, there's Manchester, there's LFC, so I just want him to choose between those. And then my search for Argentina will continue. Yeah, anyways, he's not home yet, so I'm gonna go to a Cotton On. His grand said they'll be home in 10 minutes, so I'll call him back in about 10 minutes. So in the meantime, let me just go to Cotton On. Okay, so I got him. He said it's fine, I can buy the PSG because Neymar plays for PSG and Neymar is the best. Something in the world. I forgot. He said the name. And then Mbappe also plays for PSG and Mbappe is also the best. I don't know, guys. I don't speak soccer, okay? I went to Cotton On. I bought these shades. I think they're gonna come in handy for some time when I go on a holiday that gives beach vibes in the summer, pool vibes. And then I also got this hat. I love these hats. Both these items were 100 rand each. I'm gonna go into Pick n Pay clothing now. I want a black shirt, and then I'm gonna go get the PSG top, and then I'm gonna go into Food Lovers Market and see if I can grab something to have tonight at work for dinner. Right? If I don't see you, I love you. Let's see each other tomorrow after work when we prepare to go to Joburg. Love you loads. Guess I nice. Bye.
Twinkle, 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 twinkle little stars. Jita, 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 jita is in Jazam. Twinkle, 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 twinkle little stars. Jita, jita.
I'm gonna be late. I'm boarding at 25 to 4. It's 3 o'clock now. Let's be out. Bye. My Uber is here. Let's go. Good, thank you. Is there traffic going that side now? So we're just gonna quickly check in my bag and then run. It's so heavy. So far the way I ran. My God. This is very cool. I'm home. The time now is 20 past, almost 25 past 9. I have to go get my hair done. Supposed to get there at 10. But I still have my cornrows. I need to undo that and quickly wash my hair. I also just really want to offload my bag. I don't even have a tripod because the last time I came, there was one time where I came with a tripod and I lost it in the Uber. So ever since, I just had years of traveling with my tripod. No, I'd rather struggle. I'd rather really struggle. I just want to get my wash stuff. Dang, Ramza Leshongwe. Hey, my angels. Hey, my angels. Hey, my angels.
I can't see.
You can't see. I'm using the back camera now
Oh.
because it's better quality. Let's cross here.
Oh.
We're gonna have to step on the plants.
Well, I'm not stepping on them.
Oh, hey, you guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, I'm with my mom.
Another day of the vlog. What a day. Peace from school. I had to go do my hair. I'm not finished doing my hair because I had to fetch him because we have to get cakes and candy. They have a grade
it's
2.
not called cakes and candy.
What is
It's
it called?
Cake and candy.
Cake and candy. That's the
For
same
the
thing,
grade
love.
twos.
For the grade 2. Sorry,
I'm
my
in grade
angel.
2 now.
So we need to quickly get that from Woolworths, and then he's gonna be staying with me and my parents for the next week.
Guys, let me tell you
So
something.
I have to go get his wash stuff because he washes with certain things. What are you gonna tell him?
Let me tell you something.
Mhm.
I get really good marks in school.
Yes.
Because I have really good what is this? Really good handwriting. I know my mathematics. And I know how I do English. And life skills.
Let's go. So we'll see you later. Okay, what are we getting?
This is not wet at all.
Hey?
This is not wet at all.
Is it not wet? Because it's outside for such a long time. It's fine, love. Let's quickly do it.
We're looking for Colgate. A Colgate.
And
And we're looking for what is this?
pure salt. No, don't take the 6-pack. Take the 4.
No, just wait. Just wait.
Love, we don't have a lot of time.
I use Clear Boy.
Are you no longer using this?
No.
Can we take this? What's Clear Boy? I won't find Clear Boy because I don't know what that is. And you use pure soap as well.
I'll just use Clear soap.
Okay. Do you want some strawberries?
One pack.
Are you gonna have strawberries? I don't want to buy things that you're not gonna have.
I'm gonna have them.
Just take the 1 pack then. Do you want oranges?
Oranges, yes please.
Eat that nutty.
No, I don't need that.
Have you brushed your teeth? Have you brushed your hair?
No.
Why not? Can you please go ask Level for a brush and brush your hair? Must I make you tea? Must I make you tea? Then you can put it. Put it.
Are these strawberries fine?
Yeah.
Must I add more? Sure. Your cake and candy. I'm gonna put these in the Woolworths bag or in that Clicks bag. Are you gonna miss me when you're in school?
A little bit.
Hmm?
School is only for 7 hours.
So you don't miss me?
I will miss you a little bit.
Okay. Good morning, my loves. Good morning, my loves. Today is Friday. Oh my word, this vlog is not going in the direction that I wanted it to go. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? But we vlog nonetheless. I'm at home. The time now is, it's 25 to 8. My son has gone to school. I'm just tidying up the kitchen. I contacted Dineo and asked if I can come at 8:30 to finish my hair, but she has a client at 9 o'clock, so she's saying 3 o'clock. It's not going the way, so I don't know. I have to do my nails. Let's see where Fato is at. But other than that, happy Friday, you guys. I hope, some of you have just got to work, some of you are getting ready for work, prepping for meetings and stuff. Yeah, I hope you have a good Friday. Later.
Hey my loves, welcome back to another day of the vlog. Today's Friday. I'm about to do my nails at Beauty at Best. We are experiencing some load shedding and I need to soak off these babies. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my nails. Do you have any ideas? Do you have any ideas?
No.
Wow.
Beauty at Best. Yeah. Bitches. Now this is what I'm talking about.
Did you get your nails?
Yeah. You look nice. Isn't this my bag?
Hey, it's
Is it not mine? Yeah. Yeah, my loves. So today is Saturday. Finally, it's the brunch day. I can't wait to see the girlies. It's been such a minute. Most of the girlies couldn't make it this time, but yeah, those that could, I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see. We're gonna have mad fun. Anyways, my mom just left now to go to a funeral. Everyone else is sleeping. My dad, my sister, Billo. So I wanna make fire. I wanna quickly make fire because initially I wanted Billo to come with, but I know he's gonna say no, right? So I just want to leave the house warm for him and my dad. I'm gonna make breakfast and then I'm gonna prepare what they'll have for lunch. Okay, let's get on with the day. If I don't see you, I think I'm only gonna see you when I get to brunch. If I don't see you until then, yeah, you know what it is. Let me show you the goodie bags. I will show you what's inside. You will see it at the venue when the ladies and gift their gifts. Okay, let's see. Here we go. So it's 10 of us. This one is just awaiting confirmation. This one is me. This is just, it is actually for me. I also got myself something. Bonolo. Hey, miss, I won't read that. Bad, you know? Thank you for collecting some EHS swim and welcome to the family. I hope you love it as much as I do. With love, EHS swim. How cute. How cute. Honey. Okay, let's get on with the day. We don't want to be late. Oh, let me show you my guests. Tandega. Nogwazi unfortunately won't make it, but she had paid and I still made her a goodie bag. So I'm gonna have to send her a goodie bag sometime before I go back to Cape Town. Kitumeti Ntlantla. Kitumeti is with us for the first time. That's cool. Holy Sunny, Dineo, Theodore, La Grisha. Alright, so that's done. Let's get on with the day, guys.